Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I make grilled chicken. I mix here yogurt and chicken, ginger garlic paste, some yellow powder, chili powder, some cumin powder, half a spoon, some soya sauce. The chicken I marinate 2 hour, 1 hour and enough, 2 hour better. Half an hour this time more cumin taste more. Now I first fry this chicken, later I put my gas, my kitchen use this because this on fire outside I know possible too much cool, this fire come in more taste. Just 2-3 minutes come in because I already fry the chicken. This fire come in very nice smoke smell, nice taste come in. This I use. Now done. Now I use homemade this chapati, brown chapati, and some potato chips, fries. You like the chapati, you possible buy, you make. I make home. This is brown chapati. Now I take sauce. This is burger sauce, mayan, and some lettuce, onion, tomato, chili. This chicken, grilled chicken. This is your choice. You like chili. I like chili. This I put some because now lockdown UK. This why I make home everything food. Done. You like this video, please like and share and subscribe please. I make another chapati. Same. Now ready my lunch. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Now ready. You see, this chapati coming nice taste. Thank you for watching. Thank you.